Okay, so today, let's see, today we're gonna install, we wanted to try a bidet out. So this is the one here that we wanted to try out. It's cheap. We're gonna give it a shot. Basically, we're just gonna take everything apart and install it. All right, this is what comes with it. So it should be a straightforward install. Instructions, the actual unit. There are a couple other pieces in here for adjustment and the hose. So we're gonna go ahead and take the toilet apart and install it. All right, so without reading the instructions, the first thing you wanna do is shut the water off. And then flush. You can clear that tank out of as much as you possibly can. So the first step of the process is to take the toilet seat off. I've already flushed it and emptied the tank, so I've already got that. That's the next step of the process, but I just did it first. So the next part is to undo this hose at the back. This piece goes on next. Now that's fitted on there. Now we have these two things. The water pipe coming in, going into the tank. Those are connected. You can see the water, it's coming from the tank or from the water up to the tank. So the next thing we're gonna do before we put the bidet on is we're gonna attach this hose. So this is what you're looking at now. You have the system coming out of the wall. It goes up into that T, and then this is gonna go here. It's gonna go like right here to the bidet. So the bidet is gonna be next. Here's the unit itself. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna tape this. Again, it doesn't call for it, but there you go. You break it before you get started. These are alignment brackets. So the bidet itself, this goes here, and then what you do is you put these on here and you put them so that these will fit universally, I guess, anywhere on there. What you do, you rotate those until they're centered on there. You place the seat back on there and mount it. So let's do that. All right, so I would just say that it's a matter of just making sure it's centered. Definitely looks like I'm on target there. It's all set up. Now we're just gonna turn the water back on, see if we got it. That's how you do it. Just turn this thing. So you turn right, so I don't know, I guess every ass has two sides, right side, left side. So you turn that on and then you turn this. And yeah, there you go. See that? It gets you. So there you go. That's all there is to it, I guess. Now it's just a matter of, having fun playing with the water. Yeah, there ended up not being too much I could do, so I just sort of attached this hose there so it's not all looping out. I can put the garbage can back there. So far, no leaks. It looks really good.